Hello there, let's talk today about how to set up the Sannce camera. As you can see, I have the camera ready to go. I just need to connect to the power and also use an application. In this case, is this ICSee application, okay? Just go to your Apple Store or your Android store, download the app, and you just need to create an account and you're good to go. Here I have the power supply for this camera, so I just need to connect here to power. So here we go. I connect it here, and then I wait for the camera to boot up, and I just follow the procedure here according to the camera's instructions, right? So let me just wait for the camera boot up. Meanwhile, I'm gonna open the app. Here we go. I need to log in with my user.
System starting up.
Okay.
Be configured.
Okay, I hear the message here. Then I just need to come here and hit this plus signal. Wi-Fi camera, and here I just need to hit next and have the camera close to my router, my Wi-Fi router. In this case, the camera is using the Wi-Fi antennas to connect to my router. I'm not using cable right now. I could use cable if I want to as well, connect directly to my router, but in this case I'm just using Wi-Fi. Okay, hit next here. And here it's important to understand that the camera doesn't work with 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So as you can see, I have my Max-5G Wi-Fi. That's my 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So I'm not using this one. I need to change to the other one. So let me just come here to my cell phone, and then I'm going to select a different Wi-Fi here. As you can see, I'm using the 5G. And let me just click here and select another one here. This one, I name it Max 24, so I know that it's a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And then I just come back here to the app. And here we go. Now I have the 2.4 Wi-Fi. And then I just need to check my password. If you're not sure about your password, just need to enter it here, right? I have mine here for my Wi-Fi. So the idea is that the cell phone is going to give the camera the Wi-Fi signal and password to connect to. And then I'm good to go. Then I just hit OK. And now it's time to scan the QR code. Hit next here.
Connecting. Please wait.
Okay, so now I just need to get my cell phone, put in front of the camera, and wait for the camera to read it.
Connect to router successfully.
Okay. You can hear the message. It's connected to my router, and now I just need to enter the password here for the camera. I need to create a new password. Okay, so I'm just setting the password. Let me just enter one here, and here we go. I have the password. I just entered twice, hit return here, and then okay. Now I just need to select a name for the camera. Let's say guest room, and then hit save. Okay, there's no memory card here. The idea is to record into the camera by inserting an SD card, or you can use the cloud storage. In this case, I'm not using it. Just to show you here in this video how to set up the camera, just click next here and confirm. And then I will see a live image for this camera. So alarm push notification, not right now, but you can do if you want to. Confirm here. And just wait for the camera to connect, and I'm ready to go. Okay, so I'm just hit play here and see that the camera is working live. Okay, pretty good. I have all my configuration here that I can do, and I can select here what I want to see because the camera has 2 different lenses, and I'm good to go. So that's the way you can set up your Sannce camera. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.